Hello everybody, this is Chris Gustafson from the Work From Home Success Zone, and in this short how-to video I'm going to show you how to modify a quick couple of settings that'll help your blog look nicer and also rank better in the search engines. We're not going to do any major surgery here, just a couple of settings that I've learned that have helped me out. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go into your blog's admin panel, and by default you'll be taken to the dashboard here. And what you want to do is you want to scroll down to the bottom, and underneath settings you want to click on general to start with. And the first thing that you want to do is you want to modify your site's title. Your site title is what shows up on your theme on the top of your blog. So by default it's just set to your domain name. So by default this is just chrisgustafson.us. But if you want it to say something else, then you could say Chris Gustafson's Success Blog. And then when you update this page, it'll actually show up here instead. So you can choose the title of your blog, your tagline. Say if you're doing a blog about dog training or about cat food or whatever your topic or niche is, you could have a tagline like showing the world the best way to dog train or something to that effect. You want to keep your WordPress address and your site address the default. The email address you want to modify to something that you will get, an active email address of yours. And because that is when somebody posts a comment on your blog, WordPress will notify you so you can either approve it or deny it. And you need to make sure you're getting those emails. So make sure this is a valid email address for you. Next thing is you want to set your time zone here. You want to make sure your blog is set to the right time so that when you do make a blog post, it is listed at the right time. So if I were to make one right now, it would say 7:37 p.m. and not 2:30 in the morning if I was on UTC time. Next thing is if you want to modify your date format or your time format. So go ahead, and after you've entered in your tagline and your site title and you changed your time zone, click Save. Then you want to scroll down here and you want to go to permalinks. Permalinks is the URL structure when you make a blog post. If what I just said was Greek to you, it's okay. You'll get to know it as in future blog posts here, or you can Google URL structure. It'll tell you more about it. At any rate, URL structure has to do with search engine rankings. And when you make a blog post, how do you want it listed as the URL? The URL is the web address for the blog post. I recommend that you do a custom structure, and I will post this below this video so you can copy and paste this into your permalink settings on your blog. But a custom structure for your permalinks, what that is for instance, when I make a post on chrisgustafson.us, it'll put the category in there and then the post name. So, for instance, on the Work From Home Success Zone, these line of posts on starting an internet business are listed under how to make money online and then starting an internet business. That is good for search engine rankings. So just trust me on this and use this custom structure here. It'll greatly improve your search engine rankings when you start making blog posts. So you want to go ahead, and after you copy and paste this in here, you want to save your changes. And that's all you need to do for right now. In future how-to videos, we'll get into more specifics, but for right now, that should get you started. Once again, this has been Chris with the Work From Home Success Zone blog. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.